From the moment Year 5 began their journey into space, excitement filled the air, quite literally. Our topic launched with an action-packed astronaut training camp, where pupils stepped into the shoes of real-life space explorers. They tested their balance and fitness, building strength through burpees and press-ups. They refined their fine motor skills, aiming beanbags through hoops with precision. And they put their navigation skills to the test, weaving carefully through obstacle courses. Working in teams, the students then took on an engineering challenge, designing and building their very own bottle rockets. With anticipation building, they launched them skyward, earning points for those that soared high enough to break through the atmosphere, or beyond the volleyball net. Back in the classroom, learning continued in creative and imaginative ways. Using Oreos, pupils explored the phases of the moon, bringing a scientific concept to life in a hands-on and memorable way. Creativity truly took off as each child designed a unique rocket, complete with their own face inside, making every astronaut's journey personal. In small groups, they crafted detailed and thoughtful fact files about planets, showcasing both their scientific understanding and their imagination. Their curiosity also led them to research real-life space explorers, as each student wrote a biography about an astronaut of their choosing, discovering the inspiring stories behind space travel. To bring their learning to its spectacular close, 2 Year 5 classes proudly performed their class assemblies, sharing everything they had discovered about space with confidence and enthusiasm. What a truly out-of-this-world journey it has been.